Very good evening, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So I decided to make this video because I just wanted to clear a few things I have seen recently in the comments. Of course, the first one I want to clear that right now I am using a demo account because, as you can see, the account now is 42,000. This is just a demo account because I'm about to open few trades in front of you just to show you a demonstration of how to use our Extreme Trader Forex signals. Of course, I never want to do that right now in the live account because I'm about to open the trades randomly. So what I really wanted to clear here in this video, the confusion about the pips that we're announcing every week. Some members, because we're announcing, for example, that this week we have made, one second, let me show you. Make this chart right here, and as you can see, this one here is showing the Extreme Trader weekly pips earns. Now let's clear here what's this chart about. The blue bar is what we have made, and the pink bar is what you have made or what you have taken. So as you can see, we were able actually to make a signals that has achieved about 740 pips of profit. But for you, in your case as a client, maybe it's really difficult for you to get the same amount of pips, and you will get only 470. That is the idea here, because when we are sending a signal, let me just show you. When we are sending any signal, let me open, let me go to the 1 minute, 5 minutes. So when we open a signal right here, for example, we are having several systems to use our signals. You can either select a take profit number 1 and accept only take profit number 1 without any other take profits. So as you know, when we send the signal, we're sending it with take profit number 1, take profit number 2, take profit number 3. Now, for example, if the signal has exceeded the take profit number 1 and has exceeded take profit number 2 and reached the take profit number 3, of course, in the end, we are going to take the credit of the signal if it has reached take profit number 3. Now, what have you done is something really up to you. Maybe you just took the signal and decided to exit the trade at take profit number 1. Maybe you took the signal and decided to keep it running until take profit number 2 only. But what about me and Angela? What about us? We have earned the profit, the credit, because we said that this signal, we are having 3 targets for them to reach it. So that's why what I said here is, when we are saying that we have made this week 750 pips of profit, that is the maximum. That is the whole capacity of our, I don't know if capacity is the right word, or maybe the full load or the full amount of pips that has been reached. However, I'm telling you, it's not easy. It's not, maybe it's hard to get the same amount of pips because it depends on the signal itself. We are experts, me and Angela, I mean, we are experts. We know exactly if the market is going to continue fall or reverse, and sometimes we have to do that. And therefore, for the traders or for the clients, they don't know that, and therefore they have to close the trade earlier than us. Therefore, it's maybe not possible for them to get the same pips we're announcing. But however, the whole amount of pips that we were able to make is 750 pips of profit. Now it's really up to how you have traded your signals to get how many, or to decide how many pips you have got. I think you have got the point, right? So every week we are making, for example, here we have made 800 pips of profit, but for you as a trader, you have made only 570 pips only. So at least you are making a profit. Let me show you a very good example of 2 different people. Here, for example, my friends, this is one of the traders. October 14, he sent me this picture, and as you can see, he have made in just 1 day $702 of profit. Now the day after, just the day after, he have made $1,048 of profit. Now let's see the other example of another trader. Another trader using our signals, he's saying the opposite. He's saying, is there something wrong with my strategy? I joined the premium group for the first time last week, and since then I have lost $442 until now. So here this guy have lost money. Meanwhile, this guy have actually made money. What's the difference between these 2 guys? The big difference is the experience. Because this gentleman here, he has been with us for more than 2 years. This gentleman here on the right side, he has been with us for only 1 week. Notice that what actually we're advising the new clients and members in the Forex group, in the Forex Signals group, to use only the demo account for the first 2 weeks, just to get familiar with the signals and how to use them. We never tell you to go immediately to your live account. So of course, my friend, you need some more time to understand how to use the signals. So the signals themselves are very profitable, and actually you can make a lot of money using our signals, but however, it depends on how you are using the signals. Allow me to show you this. The signal, for example, to the short. Let me just close this one so we can open a new one. So let me just delete all these lines. What you can do actually, of course, open 3 trades. Trade number 1, 2, and 3. Now you have 3 trades. What you can do is you can set take profit number 1 for the first trade, take profit number 2 for the second, and take profit number 3 for the third signal. And of course, all of them should be sharing the same stop loss. That's just one of the options. Now, is it really a good way of trading? I think not. But however, it's one of the options. Look at this guy here who have actually made a lot of money. What he did here, my friends, look at the trades. Euro NZD 3 times, Pound AUD 3 times, NZD CAD 3 times, and so on. So this gentleman here, he is actually following the option number 3. Option number 3 is exactly like this. You can open 3 trades, all having same stop loss. Now, of course, this way of trading, somehow it is risky, but in the end, it's one of the options. Again, the signal is really up to you how to handle the signals. We are not doing account management here. We are not doing fund management. We are just sending you the signal to start sell or buy at certain level of any currency. And we have take profit number 1, 2, 3. Now, how do you trade the signals? This is really up to you. You should decide how to trade the signals. We should not be the one telling you what to do next. You can just accept to take the trade on to accept the profit on take profit number 1, or what you can do actually, you can if for example, if you have placed sell order and the candle kept falling down and it hit take profit number 1 and it continued to fall even more and more down, what you can do is you can move the stop loss, drag the stop loss down all the way to the take profit number 1, and then in this case, if the candle will ever rise up again, it will hit the stop loss, which is actually a profit, and the trade will close. Or if the candle will continue falling, it's gonna continue falling until it hit take profit number 2, and so on. Now, for example, do you really want me to count the pips based on that? Of course, I cannot do that, because not everyone is trading the same way you are doing, sir. Not everyone trading the same way you do. Therefore, if the signal in the end, if it continued to fall and reach take profit number 3, I'm going to count this as a signal, as an earned pips for extreme trader, because we have earned it. Maybe you have closed the trade right here after it reversed to the take profit number 1. Meanwhile, many other traders, they did not close the trade and they left it running until it fall down more to the take profit number 3. So why do you want me to count how much pips you have earned, not how much pips we have earned? So this is really a big confusion, and I don't know why some people cannot understand it, because I think it's a very obvious point that we actually deserve to get the credit for every single take profit being hidden. If the signal, for example, will continue the rise against our entry and hit the stop loss, then of course we never count it. Of course, absolutely. For example, let's say that the signal right now it will reverse and it hit take profit number 1. Maybe it will rise again and go all the way to the stop loss. In this scenario, what will happen? Nothing. We will take the credit for take profit number 1. Why? Because as I said, in the end, everyone is gonna take take profit number 1. Everyone, literally everyone. Everyone who have entered the signal will get the take profit number 1. So what will happen after the take profit number 1 is really something up to you. What will happen after take profit number 1? Do you want to close the trade? Check. Yes, it's up to you. Do you want to keep it running? check. Yes, it's really up to you. Do you want to open a pending order? Do you want to move your stop loss? Check. Yes, it's really up to you. Again, it's all fully up to you, my friends. We are just a signal provider. We are not doing funds management. You really have to understand this part. It's very important. You cannot ask us, what should I do? Should I keep the trade running? Should I close it? Should I move the stop loss? We cannot tell you. So I really hope the point is now clear.